In today's video we are going to see how to make this arm from butterfly assembly. So let's start it. For that we have to first make 4 circles according to given diameter. For that select any plane whatever you want and then go on sketch option from here. After that make 4 circles, 2 circles on the axis and remaining 2 on the beside of the axis. Now I have created 4 circles. Now use this constraint option to give dimensions to it. Diameter of outer circle is given as 112.5. This outer circle diameter is given as 87.5. Inner circle diameter is given as 43.8. Again radius of this inner circle is given as 28.15, but I am multiplying it by 2 because I want diameter. Now distance between two centers of the circle is given as 300 as it is shown in figure. After that you can see in the figure there is one keyway, so let's make one keyway. Now for that we have to make rectangle from the center. You can select that option from here and make one circle, make one this rectangle, and now let's give dimensions to it. Now using constraint option, distance between these two sides of the circle is given as 12.6 as it is given in figure, and distance between the center of the axis to the outer side of the rectangle is given as 35. Now erase unwanted part by using this trim option. Now our whole sketch is in green color, so it's fully constrained. After that go on exit to workbench and now use this pad command. Now given pad is of 62.5. First use this mirror extend, so we will get plane at the center, otherwise we will get plane at the any one side. You can see the plane is at the surface, and after clicking on mirror extend plane is at the center, so we want plane at the center. So click here and write here 62.5 divided by 2 because we want length to both the side, and click on preview and you can see here. After that click on OK. Now select this central plane and then go on sketch option again. After that use this projection command and project these 2 circles. Now use this profile command or line command and make tangency with circle. Similarly, wait a second, make 2 lines, one and this one is our second line. Now select this circle and line by using control option and then use this constraint box and give tangency. Similarly to this side use this tangency. Similarly to this line I am giving it step by step. Now our whole sketch is in green color, so it's fully constrained, but before that we have to erase unwanted part. These two are unwanted part, and now your whole sketch is ready. Go on exit to workbench, use this pad option. Now the given thickness is 25. We want it similar on both sides, so I am using here 25 divided by 2 and using this mirror extend and taking preview and then click on OK. This is how we have completed our arm. Thank you so much guys for watching it.